Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of adventure motorcycles with the CFMOTO 800 mount. This beast has been turning heads, and we're here to give you the lowdown on why it might be your next dream ride. Let's get started. Design elements. Cut to close-up shots of the bike's design. First off, let's talk design. The CFMOTO 800 mount sports a rugged and aggressive look that screams adventure. Its sharp lines and bold stance give it a commanding presence on the road. The bike features a large, full-LED headlamp that not only enhances visibility but also adds to its modern aesthetic. Show different angles of the bike's bodywork. The 800 mount comes with a robust frame designed to handle rough terrains. Its high ground clearance ensures that we can tackle off-road trails without worrying about scrapping the underside. Key features. Cut to the dashboard and control panels. Now, let's dive into the features. The 800 mount is packed with tech that's perfect for long-distance adventures. It has a 7-inch TFT display that provides all the essential riding information at a glance, including navigation, ride modes, and more. Show the bike's adjustable windscreen and suspension. The adjustable windscreen is a game changer for comfort, allowing you to customize airflow based on your riding style. Plus, the bike features advanced suspension with adjustable settings, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're on smooth highways or bumpy trails. Performance aspects. Cut to riding footage showing the bike in action. Performance is where the CFMOTO 800 mount really shines. It's powered by an 800cc twin-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and powerful acceleration. This engine is coupled with a 6-speed transmission that offers a precise shifting experience, making both city commutes and off-road adventures a breeze. Show the bike tackling different types of terrain. With the sophisticated electronic ride-by-wire system, the 800 mount offers excellent throttle response and fuel efficiency. Its traction control and multiple riding modes help you maintain control in various conditions, making it versatile for different environments. Unique selling points. Cut to the bike's storage options and comfort features. One of the standout features of the 800 mount is its ample storage capacity. The integrated panniers are perfect for long journeys, providing secure storage for your gear. Additionally, the comfortable seat and ergonomic design ensure that you stay comfortable even on those extended rides. Show the bike with different accessories and features. CFMOTO also offers a range of accessories to customize your 800 mount, from crash bars to heated grips, allowing you to tailor the bike to your specific needs. Conclusion. Cut back to the bike parked in a scenic location, so there you have it, at the CFMOTO 800 mount in all its glory. With its rugged design, impressive performance, and thoughtful features, it's an excellent choice for adventure enthusiasts. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip or just hitting the trails on the weekend, the 800 mount has got you covered. Close-up shot. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.